Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2020 plate Civic EX. Now of course this car is finished in Lunar Silver. You do get LED daytime running lights, you get 4 front parking sensors, and of course you do get these brilliant 18-inch piano black alloy wheels. Walking around the car, I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition the alloys are in. They have all been freshly refurbished as part of the preparation process. However, I will also go into them so you can get an idea of the design pattern on the actual alloys. But moving to the rear, as you'll notice, you've got 4 rear parking sensors. You've then also got a nice little reversing camera just up at the top. Moving into the tailgate area, as you can see, we've got plenty of room in here as well. We've got 60/40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with this level just here. You've then also got a 12-volt power outlet just up here, as you can see there. And then this brilliant pull-over privacy shelf, which marries up with this shelf just here to provide extra privacy for any belongings in the tailgate. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got full leather interior with Isofix mounting points down at the bottom. We've got electric windows all round as well, and all of which are automatic. We've got keyless entry and keyless start as well. But jumping inside the car now, as you see, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've got your economy mode, your damper settings, and then of course your stop start on or off. We've got a brilliant 6-speed manual gearbox with dual climate control and 2 front heated seats. This can be controlled via the touchscreen display, as you can see. We've then also got your satellite navigation. We've got your Bluetooth hands-free. As you can also see, we've also got your various audio sources just here. As I did mention earlier as well, when in reverse you do have this brilliant crystal clear rear view camera. You've then also got your audio control. Moving over to the steering wheel, we've then got your volume controls, Bluetooth hands-free and voice control. Then we've got your onboard computer control just there. These arrows just here work between your infotainment system in the middle and your onboard computer screen in the top, just up above. We've then got your cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side with your lane keep assist and distance control. We've then got automatic headlights and automatic windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this car has done 18,093 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Civic EX, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.